Hi, I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the roofing channel today. Roof claims are supposed to be simple. You have storm damage to your roof, and you get a check from your insurance company to replace it. Well, for some insurance companies, it can be easy. For others, it can be a real battle trying to get your storm damage roof claim approved. When this happens, and you know that you have a valid claim, there are several important things to keep in mind to get your roof claim approved. In this video, we're going to be going over 5 different ways to win that battle with your insurance company. So let's get into it. Document and take many photos. When you have storm damage, you can never take too many photos. I have a customer right now that sent me 30 photos of the damage to their home. That was crucial in helping us win that insurance claim battle. When you're taking photos, highlight the damages. Either point to the damage in the photo, or you can use like sidewalk chalk like us roofers do to circle the damage, or even point to the damage, whether it's on, say, a downspout or maybe even a ding in a garage door. Now, if you're looking for damages on a metal roof, then what we do is take a piece of chalk, turn it sideways, and rub it over the surface, and any dings in that metal roof is not going to have chalk on it, and they're very easy to see. We strongly suggest hiring a professional to get up on your roof to take any photos or inspect for damages. I know some of you are do-it-yourselfers and are go-getters, so remember, if you're going to get up on your own roof, make sure and take all kind of safety precautions. We want you to come back and watch more videos. Get a contractor that fights for you. A good roofing contractor can take a world of stress off of you during the insurance claim process. They'll take care of documenting all the damages, dealing with your adjuster, and all you have to do is sit back and watch the circus. Perseverance. When an adjuster comes out and denies your roof claim, well, that's not the end of the process. Some insurance companies just deny your claim until you give up. Other insurance companies will approve the claim for a portion of what the true cost is going to be to replace your roof, and that's when we come in and supplement the claim. The insurance company is hoping that you're going to give up. So hang in there. This process could take anywhere from a month, 3 months, even 6 months sometimes to get your insurance company to approve the claim like it's supposed to be written. Bring in outside help. Usually there's only you, the homeowner, your adjuster, and your roofer. But sometimes it's necessary to bring in a fourth party. One of those might be a public adjuster, who is someone that does the adjusting work but does not work for any particular insurance company. An engineer who would come out and write an engineer's report on your roof. An arbitrator who helps settle the claim between you and your insurance company. And in the worst case scenario, you might even need to hire an attorney. Educate yourself. Insurance companies like to use your lack of knowledge against you. Just by watching these videos alone, you're gaining more knowledge of how the insurance process works. Most homeowners live in their home for 20 or 30 years and never have an insurance claim. So make sure and educate yourself before you go into this insurance claim process. If you'd like to educate yourself more about finding storm damage, then click on our link below, or just hang around after this video and watch our next video coming up on how to spot roof damage. I'm Bill Ragan with the Roofing Channel. Remember, like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get educated on how to take care of the insurance claim process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.